Good day, Sir John Michael T. Cultura. I am Janelle May Camarin, the reporter of National Consciousness and Development of American English. National Consciousness and the Development of American English. After the American Revolution, Americans became more aware of their identity because people started to see themselves as a separate nation, not just a British colonist. This included awareness of their language as part of national identity. They began to value English as used in America as something that represents who they are. English in America began to develop differently from British English because they have differences in vocabulary, pronunciation, and spelling made American English unique. For example, so the differences between American and British in pronunciation. American English, bottle of water, but in British English, ba'a of wa'a. So this is not difficult to see the differences in pronunciation. Growth of American English. Over time, differences in vocabulary, pronunciation, and usage appeared. American English slowly became different from British English in words, pronunciation, and how people used to language. Americans were more open to language innovation than the British. So the Americans were more willing to create new words and expression compared to the British. Thinkers believe American English might become a distinct language variety. So some people think and believe American English could grow into its own unique form of English, separate from British English. Call for a standard language. Leaders like John Witherspoon suggested creating a standard form of English in America. Some leaders wanted one common way of using English. Example, instead of different spelling, everyone uses color the same way. Proposals included forming a language academy to improve and refine English, establish rules and standards, promote unity through language. They plan to create a group to guide and manage the language. Example, like a committee that checks if word and grammar are correct. Improve and refine English. Make English clear and better. Example, changing confusing words simpler ones. Establish rules of standards. Set official grammar and spelling rule. Example, deciding that center is the standard spelling, not center in America. Promote unity through language. Use one language style to unite people. Example, people from different states understand each other easily. Role of nationalism. Independence from Britain encouraged cultural and linguistic independence. After gaining freedom, Americans started forming their own way of speaking and culture. Example, using American spelling like color instead of British color. Americans wanted a language that reflected their own identity and values. They shaped English to match their daily life and beliefs. Example, new words like skyscraper or ranch come from America experience. Language became a symbol of national unity and pride. Speaking their version English helped Americans feel united and proud. Example, schools taught America English to build a shared national identity. Noah Webster's contribution. Noah Webster strongly promoted an American form of English. He encouraged a distinct way of using English in the US. Example, using color instead of British color. He created important works. He wrote books to standardize American English. Example, school book that taught spelling and reading. The American Spelling Book, a popular textbook that helped children learn spelling. Example, teaching simpler spellings like center instead of center. American Dictionary of the English Language, 1828. A dictionary that defined words in an American way. Example, including American words like skunk. His goal, make English uniquely American. He wanted the US to have its own language identity. Example, changing spellings to be simpler and more American. Example, honor instead of honor. Webster's ideas. Language should reflect American culture, not British influence. American English should be unique and based on US identity. Example, using sidewalk in American instead of pavement in British. Supported spelling reforms and simplification. Make spelling easier and more logical. Example, changing color to color, center to center. Believe a national language helps unify the country. A common language brings people together. Example, schools across the US teaching the same English spelling and usage. Impact of Webster's. His books became widely used in schools. His books were basic learning tools for students. Example, teachers use his spelling books to help students practice reading and writing daily. Help standardize American spelling and usage. So he simplified and changed some spelling. Example, defense to defense, troubling and troubling. Encourage linguistic independence from Britain. He encouraged a distinct American identity in language. Example, Americans use words like sidelight instead of the British pavement. K insights. Language involves with society. Language changes as people, culture, and technology change. Example, new words like selfie or chat became common today. American English developed due to after gaining independence, Americans created their own way of using English. Example, color in US instead of color in UK. Cultural identity. Language reflects a country's unique culture and lifestyle. Example, words like cowboy as ranch are tied to American culture. Social changes. Changes in society, migration, technology, trends affect language. Example, internet slang like lol or DM because widely used. Conclusion. The rise of American English reflects the growth of national consciousness. As Americans became more independent, their language showed their identity. Example, using unique spellings and expressions different from British English. Efforts by leaders and scholars shape a distinct America identity. Important people helped create and promote American English. Examples, Noah Webster created a dictionary with American spelling like color. Language became a powerful tool unity and progress. A common language helped people communicate and grow as a nation. Example, school teaching the same English helped unify citizens across states.